Holy shit! Yo, holy. My house is just ruined. Yo, holy shoot! Yo, that was a tornado! Yo, my windows broke. Power lines are down. Insulation from people's houses. What the hell? Let me see if their power's out. Let me keep these blinds closed. Look, the fence is down. Someone's insulation. Someone lost their roof. Wow, that fence is gone. I heard this and I was like, yo, what the hell is that? I just made it back in the house. Oh, a tree went down. The neighbor's tree. Let me see. Holy crap, my window went down. Yo, the tree went down. The gutter went down. Oh man. Hopefully I didn't lose my roof. Let me close these blinds. Oh, I did lose my house. My house got damaged. Look at this, man. Something went right in the house. Holy crap. Yo, good thing these windows were freaking, the blinds were down. I don't know what the hell that is, but that looks heavy. Yo, I just brought this house the other freaking month. Yo, look, some insulation. Oh, I think that might be what it, I know those, the crossing guard things are gone. Let me see. I don't know if I have insurance for this. I just bought this house. Damn! Oh, my neighbor's windows broke. They lost it. Look at these lines. I think this room might have survived. I think maybe because the other room was open, the door was open, that it might increase the chance of damage because these windows are fine. Or maybe just the way the wind was coming. Damn, they lost their shed. Let me see. Which is nothing really. It was just... let me see if I can lift this up. They lost their shed. Maybe that's the crash into my house. That whole tree was uprooted. And there's a guy that lives in a freaking shed back there. They have a shed and they have it as an apartment. So I don't know how the hell they did. Wow, they lost their power boxes. Because the power boxes, see that line? and then it goes to that empty space, and you'll see that the power box is still connected to it, but it's just not connected to the wall any longer. This window was damaged. This window was damaged. Something, well, not those. At least one window held its integrity. Like, I'm sorry, one pane. So this side is good. The other side of the pane is bad. This entire one is good, and that entire one is good so far. Let me get this blind up. That way, it's a barrier against the wind if something were to happen again. Let me see how the bathroom fared. Yeah, this window's damaged as well. I don't want the house to go on fire, so let me just...
You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. Are you alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Was that a tornado or something?
Yes, that's what it was.
How's your mom?
Look.
Is they're safe in the house?
Yeah.
Yeah. What
We just ran out the shed.
Yeah, man. You guys barely made it, man. Is the shed still intact?
No, the shed's in the back porch.
You want to come inside?
Yeah, I'll go back here with mom and him. I got to.
Let's see what the house looks like. Alright, the roof is intact. That's damaged. It's fault. Look at this shit. The power cords right here. Well, I'm glad to be alive. Let me see. Damn, all this food is gonna go bad. And I don't have, oh shit, there's glass on the floor. Let me be careful. And I don't have, I have gas heating, but I don't have, gas hot water. And I don't have a gas stove, so I'm gonna stop. Hit this light switch. Nothing. Oh wait, I could have sworn that. Nope. Internet is down. Oh, I think these windows. I think that again, this window, the outside window was broken and shattered, but this interior one is not. So thankfully, I'm safe in that regard. Like some barrier from the elements. Yeah, I was outside checking the gutter drains that I had installed the other day. Wow, they lost the fence. Well, that's nothing really, is it? was gonna install these in the pipes to insulate the pipes, but I didn't do it. Let's see. This window's intact, integrity. This appears full integrity. I gotta be careful because it's glass. That window definitely broke. Someone's washing machine. There goes a dog. The Rottweiler used to be in this backyard. Yo, my shed is completely gone. The wood shed that was back there, completely gone. Not even there. Not even visible. Not anywhere in the area. Oh, another tree went back down there. Wow, look at all this much rain coming off the ceiling. I was just admiring how much the gutter had taken. Let me see if I have the fence up. Yeah, the gutter drain is still there. See it? It's just bent over.